Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a Toyota Tacoma. First, park on level ground, let the engine cool completely and disconnect the battery. Next, drain some coolant into a container, remove the lower radiator hose, and access the thermostat housing. Keep bolts organized and note gasket placement. Finally, install the new thermostat, torque bolts to spec, refill coolant, bleed air, and test for leaks and proper temperature operation. In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a Toyota Tacoma. Gather tools like a socket set, torque wrench, and pliers, plus a new thermostat and gasket. Have coolant and a drain pan ready. Work with a cool engine and protect hands with gloves. Label hoses if needed, and keep fasteners in order. Reassembly requires proper torque and careful bleeding of the cooling system to avoid air pockets and overheating. In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a Toyota Tacoma. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cab smelling great while you work. It fits vents and lasts a long time, and it's a small upgrade that makes project drives nicer. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace the thermostat on a Toyota Tacoma. Start by draining coolant to below the thermostat level, then remove the hose and housing. Clean mating surfaces and remove old gasket residue. Place the new thermostat correctly, install the new gasket, and hand start bolts before torquing to spec. Reconnect hoses, refill coolant, run the engine to bleed air, and check for leaks while monitoring temperature gauge until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.